Let's face it, there's a lot of financial noise out there. What's hot? What's not? What's new? What's next? How do you stay ahead of it? You can start with Fidelity's global network of experts focused on building your wealth. Serious research capabilities, and a lineup of mutual funds and ETFs that we believe are just plain enviable.
Jane, welcome back. How's life?
Well, a little chaotic, but after seeing my Fidelity portfolio, I couldn't be better.
Do what over 1.5 million Canadians have already done. Let Fidelity Investments help you make the most of your hard-earned money.